Here's my next key idea, and it's so important that I think it'd be a good idea to print this out and stick it above your workbench rather. The idea is this: when you're carving wood, although you are concentrating on taking away wood, you're carving away, what you leave behind is what matters. Now, carving differs from modelling in that you're building up with the modelling from nothing. With carving, we're starting with a block like this and reducing to something like this. So how do we go from a big block of wood like that, or whatever, to this finished carving? Well, there is a process, there is a method that I'll be showing you that actually goes from one to the other, step by step. But the most important thing that I'm doing all the time is utilizing this idea that even as you or as I am carving, what I'm doing is paying attention to what I'm leaving behind. So what this means is that this carving here is wood that I haven't carved. If I'd carved this, it would be on the floor. So what I've carved is all the waste wood. This is the wood that I haven't touched. And I think this is quite a profound sort of idea. It came to me that it underpins everything that I'm doing. So as we're going along, in this beginner's series and elsewhere on the site, I want you to really think about this idea that it's what you leave that you focus on, not really what you're taking away.